you, I love you, I love you. Until I love you, I love you, I love you.
Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So glad to have you guys here today. As you can see from the title, the description, today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be trying out this synthetic wig that I got from Amazon. Before we get into that, let me just tell y'all, a month or two ago I was never into synthetic wigs. I would never even look at a synthetic wig, but some way somehow I found myself on synthetic wig TikTok, and honestly I was just like, yeah, I have to get one. Like, the wigs look so nice, and first of all, they're synthetic, so they're really affordable. I feel like synthetic wigs are perfect for someone like me who wants to practice doing things like, I want to practice layering and cutting, but I would never do that on like real hair. So synthetic hair is perfect. So let me take the wig off my mannequin head so y'all can see. Okay, so this is how the wig looks. It came in like a clear plastic bag. It didn't really have much in there. It probably had like a stocking cap and that was it. So let me stand up. So this is the lace that you get. It's not really much lace, and then it's like it's kind of like a T-part wig, honestly. So I really couldn't do much plucking, or I really couldn't do anything. Like, from running my fingers through the hair, it kind of feels like a yucky texture. My fingers are actually just running through, and I'm not really getting any shedding, which is good. This is what comes on the inside. It has 1, 2, 3 combs, and then it also has, you know, this elastic to make the wig fit to your head. So originally I had planned to do a ball cap, but then not thinking about it, since it's only a T-part, I'm just gonna put the wig on like without the ball cap. I'm just gonna use my Ruby Kisses foundation in the color, I'm gonna use this one, in the color 12, and I'm just put it all over the lace of the wig.
Going up, I ain't got no sky limit. I trap into the bloody bottles is on the knee, cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks out my knee. I remember it.
Honestly, I don't really think that you have to do this, because there's not really much lace to put. Like, I know I showed you guys earlier, but I don't think I showed you all how much lace. So this is how much lace you get on the end. So there's really not much room for anything. I'm sure if you just put it on your head, it would be fine. Okay, so this is me just trying the wig on. I'm looking down at my mirror, but the wig fits my head perfectly. So to secure my wig, I'm gonna use the Bedhead Hard Head Spray. This is how it looks. If it's blurry, I'll just put it on the screen. And now I'm debating, do I just want to spray it like this, or do I want to like, yeah, I think I'm actually just gonna spray it just like this and cut off all the excess.
He drew you like that beautiful black child. Come and shed your black cloud for your vibe and your smile. I don't mind a little rain. I'm your dog, ears perk up at the sound of your name. Counting your main. Wow, I can handle your flame. Download your shame. Wow, how I can drown in your fragrance. Shoot that red pill that a nigga found in the matrix. Before I had you, this shit was fantasy. We planned to see the grow some roots, a branch and leaves becomes a tree of life until our nights are filled with peace from stress and strife. And that's the blessing that I get from wife and you, cause you trusted me with the key to your heart, beating you smart. Cause even though I need a new start, due to my past transgressions, you believed in me. I guess the light I see in you is what you see in me, Lord. Said she from the west side, and she's in my best side. Said she from the west side, and she's in my best side.
I just wanna know, don't you sugarcoat. I say it all if you want. Now could you tell me like it is? Pretty little fears. Now could you tell me like it is? Pretty little fears. Now could you tell me like it is? Pretty little fears. Music to my ears.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside. All
want to do baby hairs, but after, look at this mark right here. After looking at it in the bathroom mirror, I don't think the baby hairs are gonna look right with this kind of hair. Yeah, and I'm gonna wear it like this anyways. I'm only wearing it for like 2 or 3 days, so. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm just gonna put some concealer and define the part. I think that should be okay.
I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son and friendship. I could be.
Okay guys, so I'm finally back. I changed my sweater because I feel like the brown kind of brings out the hair more, but I absolutely love it. I've had it on for all of 10 minutes and I just can't keep my hands out of it. I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but I'll put how it looks like in person, like when I look in the mirror. But I absolutely love it. I just flat ironed it. I put it on the lowest, lowest heat. It kind of felt like how warm water would feel because I was afraid to burn it. There's been no tingling, no shedding, like it's just great. This is really like a step outside of my comfort zone. If you go back to watch any of my other videos, I think I have a video, like one of my first videos was me installing like a brown wig that I bleached, but all of my other videos are me with black hair. So this is really like a step outside of my comfort zone. I'm trying to get more into colors and this is a perfect way to start. So if you're someone like me, you want to experiment with wigs, but you don't want to spend $200, $300 on virgin hair, get you a synthetic wig. Like this was really quick and easy to install and I'm really not complaining. And even though I didn't do baby hairs, it really doesn't look bad to me, at least. It looks pretty good. Shout out to Synthetic Wig TikTok because I've joined the club. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna get some more synthetic wigs because come on. Silky smooth, no problems. Just from looking, you really can't even tell it's synthetic. Like even by touching, it really doesn't feel like synthetic. Like I said, it feels like yucky hair. So yeah, go get you a synthetic wig, save your money. This wig is probably like $40, $50 at most, and it feels really, really well. My only hope is that it lasts for about like a week, maybe to 2 weeks. I know some people have said that their wigs have lasted you know, up to like 3 months with proper care, so I guess we'll see. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are still here, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss when I do post a video. Bye.